In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to define and use named ranges in Google Sheets. Whether you're new to this feature or just looking for a refresher, you'll find this tutorial helpful. Named ranges can significantly enhance your spreadsheet experience by making it easier to refer to specific sets of cells, which can be particularly useful for larger, more data-intensive sheets. So let's dive right in. To get started, let's define or name a range in your Google Sheet. First, you'll want to select the range of cells you wish to name. Simply click and drag your mouse over the cells to highlight them, ensuring that you've selected exactly the range you need. This could be a single column, a row, or even an entire table, whatever suits your specific task or project. Once you've selected the desired range, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the spreadsheet interface. Here, you'll find the cell range displayed, typically in a format like A1-B10, which indicates the specific columns and rows you've highlighted. Now, what we want to do is change that cell range reference into a more meaningful and easy-to-remember name. Click on that little box where the cell range is shown. By doing this, you'll enable editing mode, which allows you to type in your chosen name for that particular range. When selecting a name, think of something descriptive but concise, maybe a word or two that clearly identifies the purpose or contents of that range. Once you've typed in your desired name, hit Enter to save it. And there you have it. You've successfully named a range. The beauty of naming ranges is in their use. Once a range has been named, you can incorporate that name back into your formulas and functions, replacing those traditional cumbersome cell references. So instead of typing out something like A1, A10 in your formula, you can simply type the name you've assigned to that range. This approach not only makes your formulas cleaner and easier to read, but also significantly reduces the potential for errors, especially when dealing with complex spreadsheets. And that's essentially all there is to it. Naming ranges in Google Sheets is a straightforward yet powerful tool. It allows you to manage and manipulate your data with greater efficiency and clarity. As you build more complex spreadsheets, you'll find that using named ranges simplifies your workflow and enhances your ability to collaborate and communicate with others on the document. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. And I hope you found this guide to defining and using named ranges in Google Sheets both informative and practical. Be sure to explore Google Sheets further, as there's a wealth of features waiting to improve your productivity and data handling capabilities. Happy spreadsheeting!